If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you export the pages of a PDF as slides within a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To export a PDF to PowerPoint in Acrobat, open the PDF to export. Then click the hamburger menu button in the title bar. Roll down to the Export a PDF command and click the Microsoft PowerPoint command in the side menu that appears to open the Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box that then opens, select the location to which to export the PDF and enter a file name into the file name field. Optionally, you can click the Settings button to open the Save As PPTX Settings dialog box where you can change any advanced PowerPoint export settings if needed, and then click the OK button to apply them. To finish and export the PDF as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.